LG tumble dryer. How to stack an LG dryer on a pedestal. This video shows a dryer and a pedestal stacking next to a twin wash stack. This is for demo purposes only. Twin wash stacking is demonstrated in separate videos. Required accessories and tools. Close the cover with 4 screws. Remove both plastic brackets and remount 8 screws. Mount the leg holders with 4 screws. Rotate all 4 dryer legs counterclockwise at least 1 full turn. Make sure the device is level. With 2 persons, place the dryer on top of the pedestal. Move the legs completely into the holders. Make sure the legs are fully seated and that the appliances are aligned. To mount the rear holder, use 1 screw from the pedestal and 1 new screw.